Are you having trouble changing your email address on Instagram? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to change the email address associated with your Instagram account, quickly and easily. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how. To get started, open up the Instagram application and then tap on your profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on these three lines at the top right corner of the screen. And then select Settings. Once you are on the Settings page, tap where it says Account. And now you'll see an option called Personal Information at the very top of the options. So go ahead and tap on Personal Information. So now you'll have your personal information associated with your Instagram account, such as your email, your phone number, your gender, and your birthday. So if you want to change the email address of your Instagram account, tap where it says Email, and then clear the current address. After that, enter the new email address. One thing to keep in mind is that if you enter a fake email address or an email address to which you don't have access, you might not be able to recover your account if you forget your password or something like that happens, because Instagram will try to contact you via email. And also, if you don't have your phone number associated with your Instagram account, make sure to enter an email address that you actually own and have access. Once you've entered the email address, tap Done at the top right corner of the screen to save the changes. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.